In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invoice generator in Replit. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the built-in invoice tool and start creating a clean, professional invoice with a simple prompt. First, head to replit.com in your browser. Give the page a moment to load so the home page and your dashboard fully appear. The dashboard is your starting hub in Replit. It's where you can quickly access tools without opening a project, which makes this process fast and convenient. On the dashboard, look for the prompt box. This is the text field where you can talk to Replit's AI features. Depending on your screen size, you'll usually find it near the top or along the side. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a bit so the input bar is clearly visible. Inside that prompt box, click the plus sign. This opens a panel of add-ons designed to extend what the prompt can do. Think of it as attaching a helper that knows how to perform a specific task so you don't have to build the logic yourself. From that panel, choose Use a Skill. Selecting this tells Replit you want to pair your prompt with a ready-made capability that follows best practices for a particular job, in this case, creating invoices. Now scroll down until you find the Business and Finance category. The skills are grouped by purpose, and this category gathers tools for common work tasks like budgeting, reporting, and of course, invoicing. Take your time and make sure you're in the right section before continuing. Next, double-click Invoice Generator. Double-clicking ensures the skill is attached to your prompt and ready to interpret what you type in an invoice-friendly format. You should see a clear indication that the invoice generator is active before moving on. With the skill loaded, you can start to type in your prompt. Be specific and structured so the output is accurate. For example, include your business name, the client's name, the invoice date, an invoice number if you have one, and the currency you want. List each line item with a short description, quantity, and unit price, and mention any tax rate or discount. Add a due date and payment terms, like net 15 or net 30, plus any notes such as a thank you message or late fee policy. Clarity helps the generator format everything correctly and keeps back and forth edits to a minimum. Avoid entering any confidential information you wouldn't want shared, and review the results for accuracy before you send or store the invoice. That's it. Open Replit, use the prompt box, attach the invoice generator skill from Business and Finance, and type a clear prompt to produce your invoice.